What's up, everyone? This is Steve from Supermods Tech, and I'm bringing you guys another Supermods Tech tip of the day. And today I'm going to show you guys how to customize your Finder toolbar. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your Finder window open. And you need to have it physically open, right? So new Finder window, and there we go. So now we have our new Finder window open. All right, so the next thing we need to do is click view, and we're going to go to customize toolbar. So now that the toolbar is down, we have all these different kind of buttons that we could use, to go ahead and add to our toolbar, which is pretty useful and makes stuff a lot easier. So we have, I'll remove these right now so I can show you guys how those work. So let's say you wanted to burn a CD, you could have added a burn CD up there. If you wanted to burn a CD, if you wanted to put a trash can, like you like to delete folders, you can put the trash can up there. The info tab is a very good one because you could get info on files and documents and stuff like that. And also I like the new folder tab, because sometimes when you need to make a new folder, it's quick and easy and it's right there. So you have back forward buttons, you have path, you have group, you have space. There's limitless stuff we could do. You have connect, you can connect to another device, share button, which is already up there, and stuff like that. You could tag stuff, right? That's cool. So now that we have our buttons up here, let me show you how stuff works. So we're just going to click on the dummy PDF, and we'll click info, and see, it could tell us how big the size is. This is especially useful if we're trying to get rid of like clutter in your computer and you see this file and you're like, I wonder how big this file is. Let me click on this and see what's going on. So this is a good way to really figure it out and get inside there and make some space for your computer if you find it getting cluttered with a bunch of junk. All right, so the info one is very good to have. All right, so also this would be good, like if on a movie file, you want to see how big the file is, you highlight the file, click info, and it'll tell me that this movie is 32.6 megabytes, which is completely fine. It's not a big file, so stuff like that wouldn't bother you. All right, so now we're gonna click on a new folder. So we need to go into our desktop because we're in recent, and we'll just press the new folder button. Bam, 1 2 3, we have a new folder. We can name it whatever we want. You don't have to go dragging around. It's a nice quick easy shortcut. And if we don't want that folder no more, we just go like this, hit delete, and it's gone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Supermods Tech tip of the day. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.